We believe we know some things about you and your current situation. We know you're someone who dreams of becoming a successful and active ham radio operator on DMR, but currently you're focused on figuring out how to get on DMR, right? At BridgeCom Systems, we've been getting hams just like you on the air for almost 2 decades. And because we've been around for a while, we understand you might be facing some roadblocks, such as getting on the air using DMR without becoming frustrated in the process, learning the steps necessary to get started, and finding expert guidance to help you on your journey. Most vendors offer little to no support, and that can be really frustrating. This makes it difficult to understand specifically what you need to do to get on the air. It just feels like there's no one out there available to help. And to add insult to injury, it seems like many hams out there believe you need to figure everything out yourself. Because we know you need more than just a radio to succeed, we'd like to introduce you to the DMR plug-and-play package. This package includes the Anytone 878 UV2 Plus, the SkyBridge Plus dual-band digital hotspot, and most importantly, our beginner to expert training courses hosted by BridgeCom University. These courses will ensure your success in making you an expert in the area of DMR. This is an offer you can't get anywhere else, not from Amazon, not from overseas, nowhere. The plug-and-play package, along with BridgeCom University, will guarantee your success. You will quickly and easily get on the air and make contacts using DMR right out of the box. It truly is plug and play. And the experience doesn't end there. In fact, the journey is just beginning. With BridgeCom University training courses, you'll have the opportunity to learn even more about DMR. You'll gain valuable expertise that will turn you into a DMR master. Here are just a few resources to help you further your DMR mastery. You'll learn amateur radio and DMR etiquette tips so you can become a highly respected member of the ham radio community. You'll also learn how to import the digital contact list from radioid.net so you can see other hams' names and call signs displayed when having a QSO. Learn how to install the Anytone programming software, or CPS, so you can easily program your radio. We'll even teach you how to go mobile with your plug-and-play package so you can take your plug-and-play package on the go without worrying about having to find active repeaters along the way. And over 235 more lessons and tutorials designed specifically to take you from beginner to expert. If you want to get on the air easily and quickly, overcome the knowledge gap, and meet tons of new contacts in as little as 5 minutes after opening the box, then our DMR plug-and-play package is definitely for you. This offer includes the Anytone 878 UV2 Plus. This handheld radio makes it easy for you to key into DMR frequencies and start making contacts fast. It lets you get on the air quickly so you can join the global ham radio community with ease and style. The SkyBridge Plus digital dual-band hotspot. This digital hotspot makes it easy for you to get on the air, make contacts on the go no matter where you are, see who you are talking to with the large, easy-to-read display, and use your DMR setup on your own terms. We're also providing you with our plug-and-play programming service. We want to make sure when your plug-and-play package arrives, all you have to do is plug it in, sit back, and start making new friends. Don't forget, you'll also receive access to essential BridgeCom University courses for your Anytone DMR HT and SkyBridge Plus hotspot. These training courses make it easy for you to set up your new gear, configure it the way you want, and have fun while doing it. This BridgeCom University training is your one-stop shop for accurate, up-to-date knowledge specifically about your package. Don't worry about the learning curve, we've flattened it for you. You'll also receive a 3000 mAh external battery for your SkyBridge Plus. This external battery makes it easy for you to move freely so you can be on the go, have power for days when none is available, and enjoy talking to your friends whenever you want. You'll also receive the 3-step DMR guide so you can quickly join the thousands of other hams out there waiting to meet you. You'll also receive 5-star technical and customer support along with a 1-year manufacturer limited warranty. If you're just getting into DMR and want to skip the hassle and start making contacts now, you really can't afford to pass this up. Click the button below to order your very own DMR plug-and-play package so you can get yourself on the air and start having fun in under 5 minutes. What are you waiting for? Click now.